So I'll be showing you how to change resolution and frame rate on your GoPro Hero 12. Now, when you first set up your GoPro Hero 12, you have these quick settings. When you tap on this, you can change from highest quality, which is 5.3K. You can slide it in the middle for 4K and maybe at the bottom for 1080p. But as you might have noticed, you don't have full control over the exact resolution and frame rate that you want to be using. And also, you have to change things like width. If you want a wide angle or stuff like that, you have to change it from here. Now, if you want more control over your resolution and FPS or frame rate, then the first thing you have to do is turn off these basic controls and go back to the advanced controls. To do that, swipe down and then scroll to the right, and you should see easy controls. So that basically means the controls are set to easy. So what you want to do is tap on that and then slide up, and the controls will go now to Pro. Now once you do that and go back, now you'll see the good old traditional settings where you can have even different presets that you've set up ready to go. So here, just tap on that, and as you can see, we have this video as the default. I just created this one a few minutes ago. This is normally the default. It's called video, and that's what you're going to see normally. So it's currently set to 4K, 16:9 aspect ratio, 30 frames per second, wide angle. So if you tap on that and then tap on this edit icon on the right side of that particular setup, you can actually change a few things. So first of all, you have the standard or HDR profile. You can change that. You can change the aspect ratio. You can change the resolution. As you can see, we have 1080p, we have 2.7K, 4K, and 5.3K. You can also choose the frame rate you want. You can also choose the width, or how wide you want your video to be recorded. It's set to wide, then you have super view, and then you have the widest view. And then also you have a few other settings you can choose. The stabilization, hyper smooth or auto boost, you can turn it on or off. And then you have all these other settings, and you can go ahead and create different presets that you can be using. So let's go ahead and create one preset. Okay, so if you tap on this, let's create a new preset. So let's say I want it for video, obviously. So with video selected, I'll just tap on the check mark. Let's say I want to record HDR. I want 16:9 aspect ratio. I want it in 4K. I want it in 60 FPS. And then I want it wide. I want hyper smooth turned on. And then, of course, I don't want any duration, duration limit. Hindsight, I'll leave that off. And then we have a timer, zoom. You can choose to zoom in 1x, 1.1, 1.2, up to 1.4x. Okay, I'll just leave mine at 1. And then once you're happy with your preset, you can just tap on the check mark, then give your new preset a name. I'll choose bike, and then tap on the check mark. And now, as you can see, we have this preset with my exact resolution, aspect ratio, frame rate, and width that I want. Okay, so I can be switching between this one and all these other presets. And that's basically how to create or how to set custom resolution and frame rate on your GoPro Hero 12. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and good luck.